How to open Wells Fargo bank account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to open a Wells Fargo account online from the comfort of your home. It's a simple and efficient process, so follow the steps. First of all, you have to open a search engine and look for the wellsfargo.com, which will take you to the official Wells Fargo page. Now click on the checking option and select the account type you want to create. For example, if you want a checking account, hover your mouse to the checking to see the available options. Choose the one that suits you, such as, for instance, I'll be choosing the student or teen banking. Click on it. And after selecting your account types, scroll through the page to choose a specific plan. Click on Open Now for the plan you prefer. And here it will ask you to sign into your account. Input your username and your password and click on Sign In. After you sign into your Wells Fargo account, provide your information like your first name, last name, social security number, and the ID details. Ensure that all the information is accurate and click on Continue option. You will be asked to select the account options, review your form, agree to the terms and services, and fund your account. Remember that you need to deposit some money to create a Wells Fargo bank account, and that's it. You will successfully create your Wells Fargo bank account online. So if you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.